Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. I decided to whip up a quick and easy lunch. I made some ramen noodles, added a bunch of veggies and some shrimp. I am hungry, so I am getting it plated up so I can dig into this deliciousness. And the broth was so good. I went out to the garden and I grabbed some collard greens, some Swiss chard, and also some green onions. I brought those veggies into the house. I washed them, dried them, sliced them, and threw them into the noodles. Straight out of the saucepan, these noodles are hot, hot, hot. Had to give it a quick blow before I burned my tongue off. It's about time that I create a border around this new fire pit so that I don't burn down the house and have my husband mad at me. So let's see what I can do. We'll get some bricks later, another day, to build this up. Now, some may be thinking, why would she be doing this while she has the fire started? Well, if you can hear that, it's pretty windy out here. It's a little cool. So the fire is actually keeping me warm. So mind your business. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we going way up. Don't be used as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going on track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going. I got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage as they sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we going way up. Don't be used as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Pray up. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going on track, now we going. All right, got it done. Next step is to add some bricks. That'll be a different day on the next hashtag Spring Outdoor Projects 2024. The saga continues. Full stop. Can't believe I live in. All right, let's plant some tender sweet carrots. Give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was. Get a few of them there. He's so teeny, just a little light sprinkle. If I'm honest, you're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here. Be a few more here. Okay.
I don't want to have to be thinning out too much stuff. I'm just gonna pat that down. They're so small. You really don't need to cover them up too much. Okay, so those are the carrots. Okay, let's get some lettuce right here. Doing this with one hand here. Those seeds are pretty small as well. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle a few. Oops. Moving around a little bit. Cover them up. And grab some water here. Okay. So the carrots were there. Carrots here. Nice. And the lettuce here. All right, carrots and lettuce sown. Well, why not some parsley too? Let's add some parsley. Let's just do a little parsley in here. We're packing these beds in this year. Forget all that spacing they tell you. I am going to pack in as much food as I can, and we're gonna see what happens this year. You don't know until you try. Okay, I can separate them later. Okay, spread them out a little bit. Cover them up just a tad. Some contact there with the soil. Let me go back and grab my... See you later. That's hubby leaving. Got in my pocket. Okay. All right, let's go. The sun is setting. All right, where are we? Where are we? Add some water to this parsley. All right, no. 9. All right, so we got parsley, carrots, and lettuce. Check. Take that back. 9. 9, Coda, 9. 9. You know better. And because I can't stop, I just added some little gem lettuce as well. Right in this little space here. I'm an addict. I'm a seed addict. A little bit left in there. Okay, let me show you what I just planted. Just added this little gem lettuce as well. All right, and this will help me to remember what's in this bed. Eden, now you are lucky I haven't planted in this bed yet. With your little raw butt back there. I don't know what happened to you back there. Aye. 9. Aye. Go on. Let her out. Eden. Go on, let her out. Delta, the original gangster. Can't take y'all nowhere. Come on. Let's sit in front of this fire. It's getting even colder out here now. The sun is setting.
ELOC Nation, I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed watching me get some of my spring projects done. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We're all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.